long at the home show, we just got a little time to show you how to pair your mower with the charging station. So as the first, you see the installation here, it's basically a carbon parameter wire. So what I'm doing now is I go start my mower, and then I need to change my mower. On my display I go to set, green button, then I go to function, go in here, and just to make sure everything is clean on the mower, I go and put it back to factory setting. Yes. And then I go and put my address in, and I click to yes here. Then I go over to push my button here, and that will give me the address of the charging station on my display. I confirm that on here as it has changed with yes, and that means I can go to exit and exit again, and my mower should be ready to go. So I'm shoving my mower back up into the charger, and then I just send it out and see if everything is alright.